Lightweight, compact, travel ready, and everything you need in one kit. That's a Sprint Tripod Kit series. The weight of these Sprint Tripod Kits range from about 2 to 3 pounds, but they all carry a max load of 17.6 pounds. Minimal weight to pack and carry, but the stability to carry your camera gear. The main differences between these kits is the different height adjustments and the heads that they're equipped with. Now the shortest of the group is the Sprint Mini, which folds down to about 14 inches, and then the tallest is the Sprint 150, which folds down to just under 20 inches. There are 4 different types of tripod head options. You have the ball head, the 2-way pan head, the 3-way pan head, and the Sprint video head. And with the ball head, you have an Arca Swiss type or a SLIK standard. The legs of all these Sprint kits are controlled by rapid flip locks for simple setup and takedown. And each leg can be put into 3 different angles. For the Sprint 150, you pull the lever out, pull the leg all the way up, then you're at the lowest angle. Then you pull the leg down, push the lever in, and now you're at the second angle. Then pull the leg down again, push the lever in, and now you're at the third and standard angle. Now each time you push the lever in, give the leg a slight pullback to lock it into place. And for the Sprint 3 kits, they have rapid flip locks. And what you do is pull the blue lever down, pull the leg all the way up until it clicks into place. Then to get to each angle, you pull the leg down, you see it click, then click. And each time it clicks, give the leg a slight pull up to lock it back into place. Now the center column splits into 2 pieces. And what you do is unscrew the cap at the bottom, loosen the center column, pull it out, then separate the center column, put the top half with the head back into place, lock that down, and also a secondary lock here at the bottom. Take your cap, screw it back in. All right, now that's done. I'm gonna put the legs at the lowest angle. And that's a great thing about these Sprint kits. You have the flexibility to go to a low shooting angle, or you have the range to shoot at a comfortable standing height. And one last thing with the center column, you can actually flip it upside down for great macro shots or some other interesting low angle shots. Other great features on these Sprint kits include rubber feet to keep from slipping or damaging different surfaces. They're equipped with their own carrying case, and padded legs for comfort, carrying, and the different temperature changes. And that is the Sprint series, a range of amazing kits to choose from with some great options. Thank you for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.